Hello viewers, so I'm back with another video. This video is about Gmail backgrounds. I'm going to tell you how to change your Gmail theme. Okay, you can set your own pictures or anything, whatever you like. You can set it as your theme. Okay, so just watch the video, and if you are new to my channel, just please subscribe the channel so you don't miss any updates. So let's start the video. So first open your browser. I'm using Opera. So go to Opera, click on the search box, type Gmail, sign in your account. So here I have signed in. Go to the Gmail, click on the app button, go to Gmail. Go to Gmail. You can see here this is one of the theme I have set in the background. You can see this is one of the background I have set. Now I'm gonna change it, as it's been a long time I've not changed my theme. So go to settings, click on theme, and here you can see there are already many themes available for your background. You can choose any of this if you wish. If you like this one, you can choose it. Okay, so see, just click on the theme and your background will be changed. Click on the other one, your background will be changed, and click on the save button and your theme will be set. Okay, now if you want to save your own photos, you can just click on my photos, click on my photo button, and here in featured you will get some few photos, or in my photos you will get whatever you have uploaded. Okay, so here are a few photos which I've already uploaded. So I'm choosing this one just to show you. So just choose it and select, and here it will come into this option, and you can just click on save. So here my theme is set. Okay, now if you want to add some to this my photos option, what you can do is just go to this apps option, click on open photos option. You can just upload your photo by clicking on computer. Whatever photo you want to set it as a theme, choose any photo you want to save it as a theme. I'm just choosing this for the time being. I've uploaded it. See, it's uploading to photo library. It's uploaded. Okay, as you can see, the photo is uploaded over here. I will just add it to an album so I can see it more easily. Just add your photo which you want into the album. Okay, click on plus new album, and here your new album will be created, right? Theme if you want, and click on save. Okay, so here it is added. Reload your Gmail page. Now again, go to the setting option, themes, go to my photos and search for your theme. See, here you can see theme, click on this, and here is your photo. In this way you can upload your own photos and select it and set it as your theme. See, here it is set. Fine. But for the time being, I'm not liking this one because I'm going to choose the correct one. I'm just putting this one. So in this way you can change your themes. So do enjoy changing your themes. I hope you like the video. Please comment about the video. Don't forget to share the video and click on thumbs up. So see you in the next video. Thank you.